Radhe Radhe to everyone. So, this question is from NEST examination that has happened recently itself. Now, the question is, let X and Y be two students who have prepared NEST given that for qualifying probability for qualifying X is 1 by 10. Probability that X qualifies given that Y already qualifies is 1 by 2. Then probability Y qualifies when X or itself qualified, then it is 1 by 4. Okay. Now probability we have to find that X and Y both has qualified, then it will be probability of X and Y qualified, and here it is Y. ठीक है, तो but we have not given this, so we can write here probability X qualified, Y qualified, then here it is X qualified. So we can write 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 10. So this will be 1 by 20. ठीक है, now is okay, when it is X, then sorry, Y over X, so this is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 40. ठीक है, तो probability of both qualified is 1 by 40. Then probability of Y will be that if Y qualified, then it is X and Y both qualified, that probability divided by X qualified when Y also qualified. So this will be 1 by 40 और this will be 1 by 2. So ये Y की आ गई 1 by 20. तो probability that X doesn't qualified is 1 minus this, ये आ जाएगा 1 minus 1 by 10 means 9 by 10, and probability Y does not qualify, so 1 minus this, so it is 19 over 20. Now both not qualified, so it is 1 minus X union Y. So X minus this is Y and minus PX intersection Y. Let me write here only. So this will be 1 minus probability of X is 1 by 10, then Y is 1 by 20 and minus 1 by 40. So 44 plus 2 minus 1 means 1 by 8 na, minus 6 5 1 by 8. So 7 by 8 is my answer coming. Have I done anything wrong? Okay, ठीक है, तो it is 7 by 8. Now this I have to find is कि when does not we have to find this probability of X dash over Y dash, है ना, ये चीज़ हमारे पास थी probability when both are not qualified. So this is X when both not qualified over this. So ये आ जाएगा 7/8 और ये 1/19 है ना। y हमारा ये था -1/19। सो ये हो जाएगा 7 × 19/8। I guess I have done something wrong. Any option? चलो kindly check the calculations. ऐसे rest I have done everything correct formula wise. Calculation you can see. Let me also check the calculations. Now next question is, let A and B be two sets, A1, A2, A3 be subsets of A such that A1 intersection A2 intersection A1 union A2 union A3 is A and they have no intersection. Phi is the intersection. Okay, then we have to तो इसमें हमारा हमारे पास इंटरसेक्शन कुछ नहीं है और सबको मिला के हमारा ए बन रहा है। तो ये कह रहे हैं एफ इज सर्जेक्टिव मीन्स ऑन टू वेन एवर एफ आई इज सर्जेक्टिव। ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स दैट एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ वाई बिलोंगिंग टू बी, so there exists that x is belonging to ai, means f I x is y. ठीक है, however your domain is restricted to f of I when your I is 1 2 3 3. ठीक है, then so surjective obviously means कि there is the image of ai under f which is covering all of b. तो yes, this can be if your f is surjective when your fi is surjective. Next is your f is injective whenever fi is injective for each. It means that when your I is 1 2 3 and x1 and x2 is belonging to x1 and x2 is belonging to ai. So it means that f of x1 equals to f of x2, which says x1 equals to x2. Well, it is not guaranteeing that the function f is injective itself. ठीक है, तो like if your this condition also follows that fx1 and fx2, तो f1 and f2 are injective. It is not guaranteeing कि हाँ done if your f is injective तो fi is also injective. No, it's not possible. While we know that if our function is bijective, ठीक है, so 1 1 and on 2, but just now we have said this thing कि ठीक है, if it is surjective fi is surjective, okay, but if it is f11 then it doesn't say that it is also 1 1. So one of the condition is not satisfying. Then is that fi is surjective for each whenever f is surjective. So if your f is surjective, it means that for every y belongings to b, then there exists x also belonging to a, such that f of x equals to y. And we have this a1 union a2 union a3 and phi all given to us, but this is not guaranteeing that for given y which is belonging to b there exists x also which is belonging ai. ठीक है, तो f of x equals to y for specific I. So it can still be surjective, but f2 would not be surjective. Now one fi is na, so f1 is surjective, but it is not that f2 is also surjective. Therefore this condition is not true that fi is also surjective. whenever f is surjective. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.